What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that isn't in why. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and today is day 2 of the Clarks Hills Crappie Club tournament. I think I am ranked like in 6th place right now. Yesterday I weighed in 8.4, 8 pounds 4 ounces of fish with my 7 that I caught. These guys are catching hammers. I'm gonna have to step up my game, folks. I told them I fish for content. I just turn my camera on and fish to catch fish. These guys fish for weight, and they pulled in some of these 2-pounders plus, and just seeing them fish come out of them buckets that they had make me want to change my game. So before we get started, I want to tell you all, thanks for watching. And hey, I had a conversation with somebody that says, man, you know what? All the people that watch my channel, a lot of people don't hit that like button. Folks, hey, just go ahead and hit that like button. If you are used to watching my content, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out a whole lot with regard to the YouTube channel. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave me a comment. More important than that, enjoy the show and share it with somebody. So, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Let's go get them. There we go. There we go. Doing our first one of the day. Hopefully I can get him in the boat. She's gonna make a nice fish too. My raggedy neck still. Come on. Lay it down over here sideways like that. There we go. First fish of the day. She gonna be a pound plus. Skunk off the boat. Skunk off the boat, folks. Bad thing about it is, this ain't gonna come close to winning the tournament. But if I hold my position, I'm okay. That's 1.5 pounds, 1.25 pounds. That fish was 1 pound 7 ounces. All right, we're gonna move. Let's get on to the next stop. And I'm gonna have to come up out of this hoodie. Sun's coming up, warming up pretty nicely. So let's get on out of here. Golly. Broke my daggone. God doggone it. Well, here's another fatty. That's the second fish. Now, the one that just got away felt bigger than this one, but she's still growing. This one won't. Another 1.5 pounds probably. Let's scale them. 1 pound 7 ounces. That's 2 of them. 1 pound 7 ounces. Just short of 1.5 pounds. Again, these won't win it because they pulling in 2-pounders, folks. I'm trying to find some bigger fish. This one I can flip. Good fish, but I can flip her. Good fish, but I can flip her. That's 3. We're gonna be throwing her back, I hope. She's gonna make the way in for now. 3 of them in the live well. All right. Well, we still weighing in. Not gonna win with these. That makes 4. Not gonna win it with these. Make a good sandwich though. Trying to make sure I didn't get hung. And then you go wiggling your head. Showing up for a brother. Showing up for a brother. This one gonna make the way in. Yes, sir. All right, let's throw another one. This is 5, I think, 4 or 5. Let me count them. The other one was 23.3. This one's 22.2 ounces. That is 1 pound and 6 ounces. This makes 7 for me, folks. If I get her in the boat, that makes 7. Now we start calling. So we in. We got 7 fish to weigh. Now let's go see what they gonna weigh. This one's probably right at 1 pound, so. My bad, my bad. That made 6, not 7. I got 1 more fish to get. I need my net on this one. Oh, yes. Yep, I'm gonna need my net on this one. And what I did is I tied my net up a little bit. But it don't have that big old hole in it. So, before I lose a really, really good fish, I tied it up. This one's about 1.25 pounds. We may not win it, but guess what, folks? They're gonna know I was here. I ain't won all my fights, but doggone it, everybody know they don't want to fight me again. Yes, that's a good fish. All right, this gives me my 7. Now I got 7. But the 7 that I have, I know they will not win it. But they're good fish anyway. That's another small fish. She won't make little fish, so I'm gonna throw her back. Why bother flipping it? She gonna make the way in. She gonna take somebody else out. You gonna take somebody's place. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, 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 okay. This was another one. Gonna bump somebody else out of there. Oh. Yep, pound and a half. Well, I'll be respectable. This is probably closer to a pound 3/4 than a pound and a half. But easy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she's a pound and a half. Easy. Where my scale at? $26.1 ounces. That is a pound and a half. 26.1 ounces. So this is my big fish today. The other ones were like 23 ounces. I said she's a pound and a half, and she is. Ooh, wee. Hey, 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 baby, daddy love you, baby. Daddy love you, baby. Mm-hmm. No, he's gonna replace somebody. She might not replace nobody. She gonna fit right in. Ah, shoot. Low. What does low mean? Oh. Well, I guess it does. That's LB. Is that LB? Oh. I can't tell what that is. 1.06 pounds. So let's go. Okay, let's see. 1.06 pounds. Let's count that in ounces. I guess that's right. 16.9 ounces. That's right at a pound, just over a pound. 16.9 ounces. So it does have a pound thing on it. I've been doing this all wrong. All right, YouTube, that is going to wrap up this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. This is day 2 again of the Clarks Hill Crappie Club fishing. I'm about to get off the water and head to the weigh-in. Let's take a look at my live well. I got a few fish on here that are going to be 1.5 pounds. But 2 pounds is going to take greater than 2 pounds to win this tournament. And I'm not going to be there. But I put some fish in the boat. We got some slabs in there, some big Shirleys and all of that. So, as always, folks, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who hits that like button. Now, a lot of y'all are watching my channel, but at least not hitting that like button. At least hit the like button. Or if you can't stand my stuff, but you hate watching me, I'm okay with that too. Hit the dislike button. I'm cool. Doesn't cost you anything, but it helps my channel out a whole lot. To my subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Place myself, 12 pounds, 6 ounces.
Oh, all right, there we go.
6th place, G3, 15 pounds.
Come on,
G.
5th place, Jack, 15 pounds, 14 ounces.
I'm 4th.
Paper gas.
That's right.
I can't
so
I don't know. Nah, it's on. It's on. It's just what you call it.
16 pounds, 2 ounces.
Look at that.
$100.
All right.
I'll take it. I'm waiting on little fish too.
3rd place, Conley, 21 pounds. Appreciate it.
Second place, me again. Champ again with a high weight on both days. Numerous 2-pounders. 7 2-pounders. I love it. Oh, Dr. Derek. So congratulations again. We appreciate you, and even though you give us the answers to the test, we still haven't beat you yet.